What is pharmacognosy and scope of pharmacognosy? Pharmacognosy is the branch of pharmaceutical sciences that deals with the study of natural products derived from plants, animals, and microorganisms. It involves the identification, isolation, characterization, and evaluation of bioactive compounds present in these natural sources along with their potential therapeutic applications. Scope of pharmacognosy. Number 1. Plant identification and authentication. Pharmacognosyists work on identifying and authenticating medicinal plants to ensure that the correct species are used for medicinal purposes. This is crucial to avoid any potential safety concerns and to ensure the efficacy of herbal medicines. Number 2. Phytochemistry. Pharmacognosis study the chemical composition of plants, which involves isolating and identifying various bioactive compounds such as alkaloids, flavonoids, terpenoids, and phenolics. These compounds may have significant pharmacological effects and may serve as leads for drug development. Number 3. Biological screening and pharmacological studies. Natural products obtained from plants, animals, or microorganisms are evaluated for their biological activities and potential therapeutic effects. These studies may involve testing their antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, or anti-cancer properties, among others. Number 4. Drug development. Pharmacognosis contribute to drug development by identifying and characterizing lead compounds from natural sources. These compounds may serve as the basis for developing new pharmaceutical drugs or improving existing ones. Number 5. Herbal medicine and traditional knowledge. Pharmacognosy plays a vital role in the development of traditional and herbal medicines. It helps in validating the traditional use of medicinal plants in various traditional medicine systems across the world. Number 6. Nutraceuticals and functional foods. Natural products are also used in the development of nutraceuticals and functional foods, which are products that provide health benefits beyond the basic nutrition. Number 7, quality control. Pharmacognosys are involved in establishing quality control measures for herbal medicines and natural products to ensure their safety, efficacy, and consistent quality. Number 8, cosmeceuticals. Pharmacognosy is relevant to the development of cosmeceuticals, which are cosmetic products containing bioactive compounds with potential therapeutic effects on the skin. Number 9, ethnobotany. Pharmacognosis may explore traditional knowledge related to medicinal plants and collaborate with indigenous communities to preserve and utilize their valuable knowledge. Number 10, biotechnology and plant tissue culture. Pharmacognosy also extends into biotechnological approaches for the production of valuable compounds through plant tissue culture and bioprospecting. Overall, pharmacognosy plays a significant role in drug discovery, natural product based medicine, and the exploration of diverse bioactive compounds that may have a profound impact on healthcare and wellness. At the end, I will request you, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it with your friends and those who are related to this field. Thanks a lot.